Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce our INSEETECH Triple Mirror Dashcam. This mirror dashcam has 3 cameras. Compared with the ordinary one, it can see the situation of the drivers and the passengers and record the family life in the car. It has touch screen and you can swipe the screen to switch between different viewing angles. And the 3 lenses are recorded simultaneously. Look at this. This front camera image is 1018 pixels and it has a larger viewing angle of 1043 degrees. In-car camera's resolution is 720 pixels. Its angle is 110 degrees. Back-car camera's resolution is 720 pixels with 173 degrees horizontal and 100-degree vertical angle. It also has WDR and can prevent the strong light from the back of your car. With it, you can clearly see the road condition even in the darkness. The dashcam can play back the recordings. First, you should stop the recording, and then you tap this function. You can see all of the recordings here. This is one of the recordings. When you buy it, a 32 GB memory card is included. It also has loop recording feature. It has batteries, G sensor, and parking monitor. So when the recorder in off state is vibrated, the recorder can automatically turn on and record for 30 seconds according to the G sensor induction, and then turn off. There is parking light to assist you to reverse your car. It's suitable for a variety of vehicle types such as cars, trucks, RV, trailers, pickup trucks, and etc. Thanks for watching. So I hope this triple mirror dashcam can help you improve your driving experience.